As a local, I've heard questions like, where is Bali located? Is Bali a country? What is Bali? All the time. In brief, Bali is part of Indonesia, so it's not an independent country. Known for its unique culture and natural beauty, Bali has long been recognized as Indonesia's most popular tourist destination. But in this article, I'll dig deeper to give you all the important information and facts about Bali. By the time you're finished reading, you'll get more insights about Bali beyond its stunning beaches, incredible waterfalls, and thousands of temples. Bali is one of the 17,000 islands in Indonesia and one of the country's 38 provinces. The fact should answer the question of whether Bali is a country or not. Bali is certainly not a city, as Denpasar serves as the capital and the only city with administrative functions on the island. Talking about location, Bali is part of the Lesser Sunda Islands chain, which includes Bali, Lombok, Sumbawa, Flores, Sumba, and Timor. Bali is predominantly Hindu, with 87% practicing the religion, an anomaly in Indonesia, where the majority are Muslim. Balinese people are bilingual, speaking Indonesian and Balinese. Many Balinese also speak English as a third language due to Bali's tourism landscape, although it's often concentrated in the tourist hotspots. So, where is Bali and what country is Bali in exactly if you want to find it on the map? Bali is located in Indonesia, the largest archipelagic country in the world. The area of Bali covers 5,780 square kilometers or 2,230 square miles. The size ranks Bali as the 15th largest island in Indonesia. Bali's soul lies in its temples, rituals, and the harmony of daily life. There are over 20,000 temples across the island, each one a gateway to the divine. Tanah Lot, perched on a rocky outcrop, glows at sunset as waves crash below. Besaki, the mother temple, sprawls across the slopes of Mount Agung, its courtyards alive with ceremonies and chants. Festivals punctuate the year with color and meaning. Nyepi, the day of silence, transforms the island into stillness. Streets empty, airports close, and even electricity dims as Balinese people reflect, meditate, and renew. The night before, giant papier-mâché demons called ogo-ogo parade through villages, symbolizing the cleansing of evil spirits. Music and dance are inseparable from Balinese identity. The metallic tones of gamelan orchestras echo through temple courtyards, while dancers in ornate costumes tell stories of gods, demons, and heroes. Every gesture, every movement is steeped in symbolism. To witness these traditions is to glimpse Bali's heartbeat, a rhythm that has endured for centuries, shaping the island's spirit and guiding its people. Balinese cuisine is a feast of flavors, blending rich spices, fresh ingredients, and community spirit. Try nasi goreng, fried rice topped with a sunny egg, or mie goreng, noodles stir-fried with vegetables and chicken. For celebrations, babi guling, succulent roast pig seasoned with turmeric and coriander, is a centerpiece of joy. Markets overflow with tropical fruits, mangosteen, rambutan, dragon fruit, and papaya. Street vendors serve satay skewers sizzling over charcoal, while beachside cafes offer smoothie bowls as colorful as the sunrise. Coffee culture thrives here. Bali's beans, grown in volcanic soil, produce rich brews like Kopi Bali. In Ubud, cafes double as creative hubs, where travelers and locals share stories over steaming cups. Beyond food, Bali has become a global center for wellness. Yoga retreats, meditation centers, and eco-friendly resorts invite visitors to reconnect with themselves. Whether practicing sun salutations at dawn or indulging in a traditional Balinese massage, the island nurtures body and soul alike. Beyond the famous spots, Bali hides treasures waiting for curious travelers to discover. In Sidemen Valley, Rice fields stretch endlessly, framed by mountains and silence. Here, life slows down, offering a glimpse of Bali untouched by crowds. The best time to visit is during the dry season, April to October, when skies are clear and seas calm. Transport varies. Scooters are popular, but drivers and ride-sharing apps offer safer options for longer trips. Bali rewards those who wander off the beaten path, those who seek not just sights, but stories. Bali is not just a place you visit. It's a journey that stays with you forever. It's in the smile of a farmer tending his fields, the laughter of children playing by the river, the serenity of a temple at dusk. It's in the taste of spices, the sound of gamelan, the glow of sunsets that paint the sky in fire. To travel Bali is to be transformed. You arrive as a visitor, but you leave carrying its spirit, a reminder of balance, gratitude, and wonder. So when you step onto this island, remember, Bali is not simply a destination, it is a living story, and you are now part of it.